Gentlemen, welcome to a night of music and laughter, Part 2. Riser Production is back once again to give you a night full of music and laughter. And this is made possible through the brilliant mind and efforts of the CEO of Riser Incorporated, Mr. June Isais, to help our brothers in Marian Missionaries of the Holy Cross. And now, to open up the show, here are your hosts, Doc Ato and Leonor Basco, the Good Morning Couple.
Energy!
Dadaniero,
Babaki mga kamay siya!
presente!
Alright!
Here we go!
Pag hindi po malakpak, pangit. Palakpakan na may sigawan naman yan! Good evening, ladies and gentlemen! Kailangan ba sumasayaw? Kailangan sumasayaw ata dapat. Sorry. Oo. Naku po. Ngayon, nakaka-relate kami kung sino sa inyo ang kaedad namin. Oo. Jennifer Lopez, kaedad namin yan. Good evening, beautiful people. Palakpakan ng mga magagandang nilikha ngayong gabi. Welcome to the Good Morning Couple Show! Ako po, si Doc Ato Basco.
Good evening, Music Museum! Ako po si Leonor Basco, ang asawa ni Doc Ato, ang poging-pogi.
Ha, siyempre,
Diba?
siyempre. Para walang
Sandali lang muna, sweetheart.
Bakit?
Hindi kasi ito Good Morning Couple Show.
Ah, hindi ba?
Oo,
Ano
hindi
ba
ito
to?
Good Morning Couple Show. This is Music and Laughter Part 2.
O, palakpakan naman tayo dyan.
Yes!
Ibig sabihin, may part 1, pero hindi nila nakita yon.
Hindi. Ngayon, Part 2 tayo ngayon.
Part 2 to. O, kaya kung malakas ang palakpak nyo, baka magkaroon ng part 3. Gusto nyo ba may part 3?
Yay!
Yan ang promise namin sa inyo, kasama si Sir June Isais. Pero si Tart, tanungin mo, yung mga nandyan sa part na yan, yan ang pangako mo. Ano ba ang inaasahan nila ngayong gabi with the Music and Laughter Part 2? Ano meron?
Now, mag-e-enjoy kayo tonight. Kasi music of 80s coming from the icon, Mr. Gino Padilla.
Palakpakan naman kay
Yan,
Sir Gino
OPM
Padilla.
artist yan. Sikat na
Nako,
sikat
oo.
yan.
Siyempre, yun yung musical part. Meron din tayong laughter part. Baka alam nyo na yan. Alien naman dyan. Mr. Brad Pitt is in the house.
Yes!
Alien. Pwede itong mga pari, nakiki-alien. Oo, no? Pero sweetheart, dahil nasa Green Hills tayo,
Wow.
ano ba ang alaala mo at ng mga nandyan sa side mo tungkol sa Green Hills?
Nako, ang Green Hills, diba? Kayo, aminado tayo na lagi tayo nandito dahil madami tayong nabibili ng mga kung ano-anong mga stuff, diba? Mga mura na mga damit, tiyangge, diba? Yan ang Green Hills. Yan ang known sa Green Hills.
Nakaka-relate yung side mo dyan.
Yes, cellphone. Pwede rin. Pagawaan ng cellphone. Yan ang known ng Green Hills.
Correct.
Pero sweetheart, itong Music Museum, ano naman ang alaala mo dito?
Nako, eto, na-share ko nga to dun sa mga pari kanina. Alam po ba ninyo, kami po mag-asawa, 20 years na po kaming kasal, no po?
Yun.
Palakpak naman ng konti.
20 years, 20
thank you.
years.
Congratulations naman. Dito po sa kinauupuan ng mga anak ko, dito po kami palaging nauupo ng asawa ko. Dahil ang ka-birthday ko po ay si Mr. Pure Energy. Kilala niya yan, di ba? Oo. Kaya ang treat niya lagi sa akin, nung kami mag-boyfriend at girlfriend pa, ay concert ni Gary V. At dito po kami umuupo. Kaya sinagot ko si Leonor.
Yan.
Kasi tama ba? Alien!
Tama.
Alien,
Very
oo.
memorable.
Alien,
sweetheart.
oo. Pero halika, sweetheart, oo. Alam mo, ang inaabangan talaga nila dito, yung musical part at repertoire natin. Oh. Ipakilala nga natin, sino ba ang grupo na magsisimula with a bang dito sa ating Music and Laughter Part 2.
Sige, pakilala na natin. Exciting kasi ito yung unang-unang magpe-perform ngayon. Prior to joining the corporate world, Paul Tagle and Rene Texon were heavily involved in the music business, recording, performing, and playing live in a band called Serenity. At alam nyo ba kung sino nag-manage ng Serenity? Walang iba kundi yung OPM icon natin na si Mr. Randy Santiago. Oh, di ba? Kilala nyo yun.
Kilala niyo ba? Inabutan niyo po
yun.
ba si Randy Santiago? Opo. Ano ba itsura ni Randy
Oh,
Santiago?
syempre siya yung poging-poging naka-side ng shades, di ba? Naka-shades siya, di ba?
Yan, tama, oo.
Tapos, the band have played together also, syempre, with OPM artist Randy Santiago.
Ang naalala kong kanta niyan, Babaero. Oo.
Yan, Babaero.
Team song yan ng mga pari natin. Noon,
Hindi.
bago pumasok ng seminaryo. Oo, di ba? Oo.
Si Raymond Lauchenko, nakasama rin nila.
Nako, naalala nyo ang Bagets? Oo, ang kanta ni Raymond Lauchenko, maririnig nyo dahil panahon ng graduation ngayon. Farewell to you, my friend. Raymond Lauchenko po yan.
Gamit na gamit yan.
Oo, sino pa?
Oh, si Ellie Bundia, nakasama din nila.
Nako, rak-rakan, Eraserheads. Pare ko, meron
Yeah.
akong problema.
Ang gagaling
Sino ba?
nun. Jet Pangan of
Jet
The
Pangan,
Dawn.
The Dawn, Envelope
Yeah.
Ideas. Wala bang makapalakpak man lang dyan? Oo. Baka hindi kayo nakaka-relate, ano? Baka panahon natin to, mga bata pa yata yung nandito. And syempre,
And of course, our very own Mr. Gino Padilla.
who you will
Yan.
hear and see later on. Oo, ha? So, sweetheart, nagsimula sa Serenity noong 1980s. Ngayon, Riser Band was formed in 2011. So, approximately 15 years na sila halos, ano? When Paul Tagle and Rene Tecson joined the Riser Incorporated, owned by Mr. June Isais. So, even during their corporate involvement with Riser, Paul Tagle managed to bag an award in 2016, 8 years ago, for winning the grand prize sa Itbulaga na Aldab Songwriting Competition. Naku, patok na patok ang Aldab dati.
Oo naman, sikat na sikat niya sila Maine Mendoza at saka si Alden Richards.
Parang tayong
diba?
dalawa lang yun.
Parang tayong dalawa.
Oo. Oo.
Pwede.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, from Serenity in the 1980s to Riser Band in the year 2000s, ngayong gabi, live na live, join na sa kantahan at sayawan with the Riser Band!
Hey, glad you're here. Time for noise. Let's do it. Come on. Hey. Good evening, everybody. Come on, let's go. Hey, 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 hey. Make some noise, everybody. Come on. How do I begin to tell you about this friend? It's like no other. Ever since the day he walked into my life, it's been more like a brother. Every day, every minute, there's a shower of love I feel. Some things I used to just imagine, I tell you now, it's all for real. Come on, sing. Shout for joy, sing his praises, lift my voice unto the Lord. Shout for joy, sing his praises, lift my voice unto the Lord. Hey! Now in case you've forgotten, it's a free gift to know. It's been an open invitation for every man or woman, every boy or girl, people from every nation, looking up into the heavens, praising God for what He's done. Ooh, I can hear the chorus singing, singing and down all natives. Come on, let's go. Shout for joy, sing His praises, lift my voice unto the Lord. Shout for joy, gotta tell Him all about it. Lift your voice unto the Lord. For joy. Lift my voice unto the Lord. Shout for joy. Gotta tell him all about it. Lift your voice unto the Lord. Come on, Kim.
Open up and make a brand new start.
Like he said, when you seek, you should find him.
Think again if you want it with peace. Everything to gain and nothing to lose.
I can tell you what about, but all you gotta do is say Jesus is Lord. You know it's right. Yeah. Lift my voice unto the Lord. Shout for joy. Gotta tell him all about it. Lift your voice unto the Lord. Woo! Sa Yahweh, purihin natin na masamasa. Sa bagong awit mag-umpisa. Sa Yahweh, purihin natin sama-sama siya. Tayo lahat, sabayan na sa pagtinda. Wag mong isipin, di mo kaya yan. Ang iyong nadarama ay pagbigyan. Sa Yahweh, wag mong isipin, di mo kaya. Everybody come on, sing! Tayo lahat, sabayan na sa pagtinda. Walang ibang maalalang awit, papuri, pasasalamat lang. Mag-awitan, magsayawan, buong kasiya. Everybody say! Ang sayaw sa gabit araw, magitaw-galaw, magsambat sigaw. Sayaw, ang sayaw sa gabit araw, magitaw-galaw, magsambat sigaw. Buong bansa, buong tuwa, purihin si Yahweh ang Panginoon. Hallelujah. Sama-sama gising na bangon. Sa Yahweh ang sayaw sa gabing araw, magitaw-galaw, pagsambat sigaw. Ang sayaw sa gabing araw, sa Yahweh. Sayaw sa gabing araw, pagpitaw-galaw, ang sambat sigaw. Hey! Everybody put your hands together, come on, let's go! That's right! Hey! Bakit ba mapaglaro ang buhay? Problema sa kwarta't babae, kung ano-ano pa. Di na ba ito maiiwasan? Bakit ba nagkaganon? Kung ngayon litong-lito, come on! Nawawala, bumabalik, eto na naman. Wala, malapit, eto na naman. Nawawala, bumabalik, eto na naman. Bigla na lang tumadapig, eto na naman. Ikot-ikot ang takbo ng buhay. Minsan may digma sa kanang mga kulay. Hayaan mo na, tanggapin mo na lang kaya. Cha-cha-cha! Hey! Everybody shout out! Wawala, mabalik, eto Thank you! Okay, yun naman ang sasayaw ngayon. Naalala nyo ng bagets, di ba? All you gotta do is like this. You remember this one? Sa lahat ng mga titos, sintitas. To the old times and the best of new ones. This to a sound of clean. Finding a way from illusions to reality. Hoping to wake up from this madness. Hoping to see you smile. Pushing our way to the limit of yours and mine. Now let's go. I'm growing up, putting my both feet on the ground. With all my friends behind me, how can I go wrong? Tara, 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 let's go. I'm growing up, make a reality came around. Not just waiting for the daybreak, expecting the sun to shine. It doesn't shine all the time. Naalala niyo to, mga titos and titas in the house! Yeah. Dito naman, there we go. Falling in love, falling apart. I think it's the end of the line. Holding hands while crying, then you feel the spine. If you're thinking that you're the only one, well, take a look around and you find I'll be there for you and I now. I say, everybody come on, let's go! I'm growing up with my both feet on the ground, with all my friends behind me. How can I go wrong this time? How about on this side? Come on! I'm growing. Take a reality came around. That's just waiting for the daybreak, expecting the sun to shine. Sing! That's right! Thank you so much, everybody! How about a hand for TLA dancers? Palakpakan po natin sila. Alright, magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Kami po ang Riser Inc. ngayong gabi. And we'd like to thank everyone for coming over. And also we'd like to thank our producers. Thank you for believing in us. Kahit na medyo masakit na yung tuhod natin. Tinatraya pa rin natin sumayaw. Pero dahil nandiyan kayo, kayo magbibigay ng energy sa amin. Alright?
Yes, of course.
So ngayong gabi, pagsasama-samahin natin yung malalakas ngayon. Brother Gino Padilla, Brad Pitt, syempre. Kami naman po ang bahala sa mga 90s music. Yan. Si Brother Gino, more on 80s po kami dyan. Alright? So ngayong gabi, magbabanda okay po tayo. Sino mahilig mag-video okay po? Video okay. Sino magaling
Anyone?
mahilig mag-video okay?
Madami, madami.
Ngayon, hindi video okay gagawin natin ngayon, ay banda okay. Alright?
Wow.
Maglalabas tayo dito ng mga lyrics. Tapos kantahan tayo. Kung sino yung pambato nyo sa grupo nyo, paakatin natin dito mamaya.
Wow.
Mahilig sa
Mukhang excited
video
na sila.
okay. Nagkaturuan na. Sige. Alright. Uy, uso-uso ngayon yung mga hugot songs. Hugot songs. Alam niyo ba, yung hugot songs, yung mga titos and titas nyo, may mga hugot songs din kami noong araw, ng mga back in the 90s. So we'd like to do this medley of hugot songs from the 90s era. So sa lahat ng mga batang 90s, supportahan nyo ako, ha? Alright, here we go.
Yeah.
There were ones waiting for a chance, hoping that you'll understand the things I wanna say. as my love is stronger than before. I wanna see you more and more, but you close your door. So why don't you try to open up your heart? I won't take so much of your time. Banda okay time, here we go. Maybe you, maybe it's wrong to love you more each day, 'cause I know it's here to stay. But my love is strong. I don't know if this is wrong, but I know you should belong. Let's do it one more time. Maybe it's wrong. Somebody else is waiting there beside for you. Maybe it's wrong to love you more each day, 'cause I know it's here to stay. But my love is strong. I don't know if this is wrong, but I know to who you should belong. We often fool ourselves to say that it's love only, but when it's gone, we end up being lonely. So how are we to know that it just isn't so? That we just have to let each other go. There were many nights when we shared precious moments that later realized there were only stolen moments. So how are we to know that it's just wasn't so? That we just have to let each other go. Come on! That's right. Loving you. Loving you is all that means to me. Yeah. And being happy is all I hope you'll be. If loving you must be, I really have to set you free. I can still remember yesterday. We were so in love in a special way. Knowing that your love and make you feel lost, alright. Now I feel lost, don't know what to do. Each and every day I think of you. Holding back the tears, I'm trying with all my love. Because you're gonna let me standing all alone. face tomorrow, my own. But baby, before I hope that you listen, 'cause it's true, baby. It'll be forever in my heart, and I know that no one else will do. Before I let you go, I want to say, letting love go is never easy, but I love you so, that's why I'm set you free. 'Cause I know someday, somehow, I'll find a way to leave it all behind me. I guess it wasn't meant to be, my baby. Before I let you go, I want to say, I hope that you're listening, 'cause it's true, baby. It'll be forever in my heart, and I know that no one else will do. Before I let you go, I want to say, before I let you go, I want to say, I love you. Sa lahat ng naniniwalang may forever. There were times when I just want to look in your face, with the stars in the night. There were times when I just want to feel your embrace in a cold night. I just can't believe that you were mine now. Come on. You were just a dream that I once knew. I never thought I would be right for you. Come on, sing. I just can't compare you with anything in this world. You're all I need to be with forevermore. All those years I long to hold you in my arms. I've been dreaming of you every night. I've been watching all the stars that fall down, wishing you will be mine. Oh, I just can't believe that you were mine now. Come on, guys, sing along. You were just I just can't compare you with anything in this world. You're all I need to be here with forevermore. Time and again, there are these changes that we cannot end. Show us time keeps going on and on. My love for you will be forever. Daniel on bass. I just can't believe that you were mine now. You were just a dream that I once knew. I never thought I would be right for you. I just can't compare you with anything in this world. Let's last forever. I love you were all I need to be here with forever. Hey! Thank you so much. Yan, mabuhay ang mga 90s people! Yan, speaking of 90s yan. Meron bang mga millennials or Gen Z in the house? Ayan. Pwede ba sumigaw yung mga millennial and Gen Z in the house?
Ang dami.
Alright. Uy, naganda kami naman para na baka isipin nyo puro pang matanda lang alam namin. Millennials, kayo naman mag-ingay. Alright, here we go. It's been raining in Manila, hindi ka ba nilalambing? It's been raining in Manila, hindi ka ba nilalambing? But if it's raining in Manila, hindi kita maririnig. Nakahiga mag-isa, nanginginig. And it's been raining in Manila, kahit di ka nababalik. Maulan ba sa inyo pag bumubuhos dito? Paumanhin at baka hindi ko masasabayan ang iyong yapak, at pag-iyak sa pagpad at pagbagsak ng araw-araw. Sa pagpikit na lang kita, magtititigan sa mata. Sa pagpikit ng tahanan na parigaw. Kamusta ka na kahit wag nang sagutin? Di ba nawala ang itam ng bituin? Sana ganun ka nga pa rin. Sabay-sabay, Gen Z! Hirap ba mag-isang namimili? It's been raining in Manila. Pag wala ang mga tao, madilim ba ang mundo? Let's down the band! Yeah! Yeah! Go! Kamusta ka na kahit wag nang sagutin? Di ba nawala ang kitab na may tuwid? Sana ganun ka nga pa rin. Millennials, yeah! Ikaw ba nilalamig? Hirap ba
waiting.
Been waiting in Manila kahit di ka na babalik. Nandyan lang ang mga tao. Nandyan lang ang mga tao. Saan masulok ng mundo.
Hey!
Sa lahat ng mga millennials in the house, come on, give it up!
You're on the floor with your girlfriend. She's upset. She's going on about something that you said. She doesn't get your humor than I do. Hey, hey, hey! I'm in the room. It's so difficult. She's staying out. I listen to the kind of music she doesn't like. She'll never know your story like I do. Come on,
Let's
everybody!
go!
She were higher, I was weaker. She confident, I'm on a preacher. Dreaming about the day when you wake
Let's
up
go,
and Friday. What you're looking for has been here the whole time. See that I'm the one who understands. Being all alone, so why can't you see? You belong with me. You belong with me. Woo! Ha, 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 ha. Walking the streets with you in your worn out shoes. And they're thinking, this is how to live. Laughing on a pump bench, thinking to myself, is it is easy? You got a smile that light up this whole town. I see it in the water since she brought you down. So you finally know you better than that. Hey, what you doing with a girl like that? She wear high heels, I wear sneakers. She confident, I'm on a beach house. Dreaming about the day when you wake up and find it. What you looking for has been here the whole time. See that I'm the one who understands you. Leaving all alone, so why can't you see? You belong with me. Standing by you, waiting at your back door. Every sound, how could you not know, baby? You belong with me. You belong with me. Hey! Kaway-kaway mga millennials! Woo!
Everybody, come on!
Hey, remember you were driving to my house in the middle of the night. I'm the one who makes you love when you know I'm about to cry. Now you play the song and you tell me about your dreams. Think I know where you belong. Darling, it was with me.
Let's go.
Come on. You see that I'm the one who understands you. Being wrong, alone, so why can't you see? You belong with me.
Hey, come on!
Standing by you, waiting at your back door. Every time, how could you not know, baby? You belong with me. You belong with me. You belong with me. Yeah. Have you ever thought yours may be? You belong with me. You belong with me.
Alright, give it up for Kim! Ladies and gentlemen. Marami.
Dami.
Asan ang millennials?
Aba?
Asan ang 80s babies?
Aba?
Lahat yata kayo yun,
Pinagsama-sama na, no?
Pwede ba kami mag-90s? Okay lang? Para mamaya 80s naman, alright? 90s, here we go, let's go! Sayawan tayo, ha? Come on, let's go! Hey! Come on, team! Hello!
You just walk in, I'll make you smile. It's too bad you don't even know me. You take my dish, I run all heart, you know it won't last. But you know, what can't you see? Slow it down with a sign, say yeah, that's what you want. Stop right now, thank you very much. I need somebody with a human touch. Hey you, always on the run, gotta slow it down, baby, gotta have some fun. Do 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 do. Always stay together. Stay away forever. Woo!
Come on, kid.
Hey, hey! Gotta keep it down, honey, get back on the line. 'Cause I don't care about the money, don't be wasting my time. You need less me, get on vacation. Gotta slow it down, baby, just get out of my face. Stop right now, thank you very much. I need somebody with a human touch. Hey you, always on the run, gotta slow it down, baby, gotta have some fun. Stop right now, thank you very much. I need somebody with a human touch. Hey you, always on the run, gotta slow it down, baby, gotta have some fun. Stop right now, thank you very much. I need somebody with a human touch. Hey you, always on the run, gotta slow it down, baby, gotta have some fun. Hey!
All right, let's go. Come on. Everybody, rock your body right. Back, three, back. All right, come on. Oh yeah, 90s people. Say, oh my God, we're back again. Brother, sister, everybody dance. Gotta bring the flavor, gotta show you how. Got a question for the band now. Am I original? Sing! Am I the only one? Sing it! Am I sexual? Am I everything you need? You better rock your body now. Everybody, rock your body. Everybody, rock your body right. Back, sweet, back, all right. Hey, yeah. Come on. Here we go. Hey, baby, love, I need a girl like you. Tell me if you feel it too. I'm in illusion every minute, every hour. My heart is crying out for you. I feel the heaven when I look in your eyes. I know that you are the one for me. You drive me crazy 'cause you're one of a kind. I want your love and then I want it right now. Get down, get down, move it all around. Move it all around. Get down, move it all around. Move it all around. Oh baby, you're so fine. I'm gonna make you mine. Your lips taste so sweet. You're the one for me. You're my ecstasy. You're the one I need. Come on, let's go. 90s people knocking high. Come on. Hey, hey, hey. You might have been hurt, babe. That ain't no lie. See them all come and go. Whoa, I remember when you told me that you need to believe in no man, no cry. Baby, that's why everything I for you. You don't wanna lose it. I'm not like that, baby. Finally get to know somebody. Guess what? It's gonna be me. Here comes a day, I'll be the one you see. It's gonna be me. All that I do is not enough for you. Don't wanna lose it. I'm not like that. And finally, you get to love. That's what I'm a little bit I do. Never seem enough for you. You don't wanna say again. I'm not like that. Baby, when you finally get to know somebody, guess what? It's gonna be mine. Woo! Maraming salamat po. Thank you so much, everybody. Ito po ang trabaho namin. Kailangan namin kayong painitin bago natin tawagan si Brother Gino. Alright?
Yes.
So, I'd like to do another medley of 90s songs. So, pasensya na millennials. Maka 90s po talaga kami. Kaya, ito, yung susunod namin tutugtugin, ito yung mga panahon na, naalala nyo yung wala pang mga cellphones. Wala pang, hiningal ako, no? wala pang, ang hirap pala sumayaw, tapos kumakanta, ngayon ko lang ginawa. Sensya na po. So, ito yung mga panahon na wala pang cellphones, wala pang mga gadget, wala pang internet. So, babalik tayo sa 90s, guys. Kaya namin tinawag tong Tunog Kalye, kasi ito po yung mga tinutugtog natin sa literal na mga kalye nung panahon na yun. So, wala mo na social media, tayo po ibabalik tayo sa 90s. And sing along with me. Banda, okay po tayo ulit. Here we go. What is life to offer me when I grow old? What's there to look forward to beyond the biting cold? They say it's difficult, yes, stereotypical. What's there beyond sleepy to work in this cruel life? And there's nothing else around here but the human strife. They say it's difficult, yes, stereotypical. You gotta be conventional, you can't be so radical. So I sing this song to all of my age. For these are the questions we got to face. For in this cycle that we call life, we are the ones who are next in line. We are next in line. Oh, oh, oh. We are next in line. And we gotta work, we gotta feel. Let's open our eyes and do whatever it takes. Oh, we gotta work, we gotta feel. Let's open our eyes. Whoa, whoa. For when this cycle down, we are the ones who are next in line. We are next in never lets me sleep. To my mind, down to my soul, you touch my lips. You're the one that I can't wait to see. You here by my side, I'm in ecstasy. I'm here alone without you. The days are dark without a glimpse of you. Now that you came into my life, I feel complete. The flowers bloom, my morning shines, and I can see. Come on, sing! May kasama taas ang kamay. Inside, yeah, that's right. Come on, let's do one more time. Your love. That's right. Inside, yeah. On guitars, give it up. The sun that lights up my whole world. I feel the warmth inside. Your love is like a river that flows down through my veins. I feel the chill inside. Your love will give me Renette Exxon, ladies and gentlemen, on guitars.
Yeah.
I'm aware to the words I speak before you make me feel that the love I have for you will see no ending. But if you look into my eyes, then you should know there's nothing here to doubt, nothing to fear. And you can lay your questions down, 'cause if you own me, so we can fade into the night and you know. Come on! Yeah!
Yeah.
'Cause time may pass, but none of them may last by your side. hanggang sa dulo ng mundo, hanggang maubos ang upo, hanggang tumulo ang luha, hanggang mahulog ang tala. Everybody, come on! Basta mo aking mata, di mo ba nakikita? Ako ngayon'y lumilipad at nasa langit na. Gusto mo ba sumama? Eto, kakanta kayo, ha? Here we go! Ang daming bawal sa mundo, sinasakal nila tayo. Buksan ang puso at isipan, baliparin ang kamalayan. Sa mo aking mata, di mo ba nakikita? Ako'y lumilipad at nasa alahang na. Gusto mo ba? 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 Sumama. Hey! Come on! Kabuhay ang tunog galing! Hey! Come on! Simulan mo sa pangarap ang iyong minimitin, at ito'y iyong damit. Yes! Itanim mo sa iyong puso, ito ay lalaki. Ikaw rin ang anin. Come on! Hayaan mong lumipad ang isip sa lawa ng langit, bituing umaawit, at ito'y nagsasabi. Come on! Mangarap ka, mangarap ka, tingin ang tawag ng iyong tugo. Umahon ka, umahon ka, mula sa putik na iyong dugo. Hey, come on! Reach man on drums! Hayaan mong lumipad ang isip sa lawa ng langit, bituing umaawit, at ito'y nagsasabing mangarap ka, mangarap ka, higit na iyong dugo. Umahon ka, umahon ka, mula sa putik na iyong mundo. Manalig ka, manalig ka, ang langit ay naghihintay sa iyo. All right. Before we do our last song, Alright?
More.
Okay lang ba? Okay lang?
Okay na po.
Baka nainip na po kayo eh. Maaga pa naman, no? Maaga pa. Sige, ngayon ay tapos na tayo magkantahan ng grupo-grupo. Kailangan naman natin ng mga singers in the house.
Singer!
Yan.
Around here, baka
Sino
meron
ba magaling
tayong
kumanta rito sa grupo nyo?
representative.
Ha?
Meron-
Chorus lang,
meron
chorus,
dito?
chorus.
Chorus lang, chorus.
Dito. Here we go, kantahin ko
Which
man ang
one?
chorus.
TJM, meron?
When the night
Dito.
has come,
Hey, hey, hey!
when the land is dark,
Sige.
oh, the moon
Sino kakanta sa inyo?
is
Sino
the
po?
only light we'll see. Eto na, say, to darling, darling.
Stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Oh, stand. O, banyo queen daw.
Teka.
Hey.
Parang naiba yung lyrics, no? Parang,
Oo. Iba atang version, sir.
bakit? Ba't nagiging Tagalog yun? English yun eh.
Oh, madalas.
Wag yan,
Ganun
wag yan,
daw.
wag yan.
Wag daw. Bad yun, bad.
Dito naman, how about on this side? Come on.
Kabi. Ayan, kabila.
In the sky,
Hey!
then we look upon,
Ayun. Meron pala tayo dito.
just stumble and fall.
Sige.
Oh, the mountain.
The mountain.
Siya, di ba? Siya, di ba?
Punta natin.
Kapitan mo na. Let's go, let's go.
Hey!
I won't
Malayo.
cry. No, I won't.
Maikot.
Ang layo.
Ang layo
Uy,
ko, sir.
Ang layo, may daan dito eh. Ang bihira ka.
Nandito.
Ayan, kuya, pinuntahan ka ba na malayo na? Darling, darling.
Mami, oh, stand by me. Lumalabas.
Nabago na naman. Hey!
Bakit ba dinadala nyo palagi doon sa lumalabas na yon? Ano ba yun?
Lagot.
Lagot kayo kila fathers and mga brothers natin dito. Gusto ba kumanta yung mga
Father.
priest natin, mga bisita?
Yes! Of course.
No, I won't be afraid. No, I won't.
Hey!
Eto, sigurado maganda lumalabas sa bibig nito. Father, tayo ka po, Father. Tayo. Ayan na. Harap sa tao, harap.
So darling, darling, stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Oh, madalas.
Nasuwa tayo. So darling, darling.
Stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Talaga.
Parang hindi gusto mo rin puntahan, ha? Alam ba natin, Father Rome?
Ganon din pala.
Kahit pare, napupunta rin talaga dun sa
Doon
madalas
talaga.
na yan.
Oo.
Sino pa? Babae naman.
Babae naman.
Dito,
Sabi
dito,
mo, lady.
dito.
Ayan, meron din ito si Sir Jun. Sino po?
Hindi, may tinuturo dito. Ayan, ayan.
Naka-green po. Alright. May representative si Sir Jun.
Ito na.
Ito.
Say,
From
one,
girls.
two, darling.
Stand by me.
Yo.
Oh, stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Stand by me.
Yun ang tamang lyrics nun.
Darling, stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Oh, madalas
Eh!
lumalabas. Banyo queen.
Alright! Father, ano yun?
Ako, delikado na tayo, Sir Paul.
Thank you so much, everybody. Palakpakan natin lahat ng jam. May habol pa ba? Habol pa? Wala na. Ayan. So, tapos na tayo magkantahan. Ang sunod. TikTok. Yeah. Sino po mahilig
Sinawan.
mag-TikTok? TikTok. Sino nagti-TikTok?
TikTok.
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 Alam niyo ba yung salamin? Ha?
Salamin.
Sino?
From
Pambato.
Dili.
Pambato. Dito sa
Asan?
stage.
Baka meron tayo.
Dapat dito sa stage.
Sir?
Come on, come on.
Tara po.
Tag-iisa. Tag-iisa bawat row.
Tara po dito. Para makita ang kanilang kagalingan.
Sino nakakalam ng salamin-salamin? Madali lang
Yan,
yan.
Sir Paul, may turo doon. Ayan,
Tara, bilis, huwag kayong mahiya.
Tara po.
Hatakin nyo na, hatakin nyo na.
Tara
Ay,
po.
ito. Representative ng Marian. Sige, tuturuan namin kayo. Dancers,
let's go,
kunin nyo,
let's go.
dancers.
Salamin.
Good morning, couple. Tulungan nyo ako. Good morning,
Ang dami.
couple.
From this side, dapat meron din dyan. Tama, come on.
Sino? Salamin. Yan. Ayan na. Pambato dito.
Pambato. Sa kabila naman. Oh, dami tayo dito. Oh. Tara po. Wow.
Iyan na.
Grabe.
Magagaling to. Ayan na. Kita nyo mga Gen Z, ang salamin-salamin.
TJM, magpapatalo ba kayo? Halika na,
Tara.
let's go.
Sige. Mga millennials, dito
Ay,
kayo. Sa
nako.
gitna kayo, guys.
Kailangan pasunduin.
Nagayain lang natin yung mga Zumba instructor natin. Ha? Tara, let's go. Okay. Dali nyo.
Dali. Tara, let's go. Sige na.
Dali
Madami
nyo.
tayo kasama doon,
Nainip
oh.
na si Brad Pitt. Nainip na yun.
Oh, nainip na si Brad. Tara.
Dali natin.
Sige na, let's go.
Pag nainip yun, lalabas dito yun.
Oo nga. Lagot kayo kay Ma'am Joy. Bili.
Para exit na naman.
Halika na, let's go.
Kim, let's go, Kim.
Okay lang.
Tara. Sige. Palakpakan natin, ladies and gentlemen, ang mga...
Yeah.
Pag salamin, no? Mga bata talaga, no? Hindi ba alam, Ma'am Jessie, lumang kanta na tong salamin na to. Alam namin yan nila, Sir June. Salamin sa tumpang panahon. Kasabay ng mga bagong tuktok.
Iba yun, Sir Paul, eh.
Sige, ready na ba? Palakpakan natin, ladies and gentlemen. Give it up!
Yeah!
Here we go! Isa pa. Kailangan malakas ang palakpakan, ladies and gentlemen!
Yeah!
Here we go! Iyon!
Hey!
Come on!
Ulit misteryoso. Di ka na mabasa ang iyong tunay na motibo. Iba pinapakita, kaliwa sa iyong salita. Pero ayokong magduda, baka nagsasimula. Maghihintay na lang na ika'y dumaan. Sana ay maiksan ang aking pangulila.
Yeah!
Tracking this fairy tale, but I don't wanna wake up in this dream. Baby, ayokong umasa sa paniniwala.
Yeah, sunod na tayo sa dancers.
May pag-asa nga ba na baka ang puso ko'y
Here we go!
mapapagod? Mahiwaring sa lamin, lang ba niya aaminin? Ganyang tunay na patingin. Mahiwaring sa
Oh,
lamin,
yeah!
ano bang dapat gawin? Bakit ang puso'y napipitin? Salamin sa dingding na silang pag-ibig. Salamin sa dingding, galing mo ba sa tingin? Salamin sa dingding na silang pag-ibig. Salamin, kailan niya ba ako papansinin? Ayaw kong maniwala, ayaw kong
Wala ba kayong mga kamay?
na baka mapaliwala. Pero sa iyong salya, mga matay na mungusap, dito lang kaya pamba. Ano ba talaga ito? Maghihintay na lang na ika'y dumaan. Sana ay maisa ang aking pangulila. Tracking this fairy tale, but I don't wanna wake up in this dream. Baby, ayoko umasa sa paniniwala. May pag-asa nga ba na baka ang puso ko'y mapapigil? wall. Please tell me, please show me. I'm waiting for a scope. Bakit ba pasikit-sikit? Bakit ba talaga lang ulo from next to more? Gusto ko namang malaman na ba ang katotohan? Say it now, it's never too late. I'm ready to call your princess. Hey! Ayoko umasa sa paniniwala. Hey! May pag-asa nga ba na baka ang puso ko'y mapaganda? Dahil wag sa pagkakita at pag-ibig. Hey! Akong tunay na pag-ibig sasawahin sa langit kapag dapat gawin. Kahit ang puso'y nabibitin. Salamin sa dingding nasa lang pag-ibig. Salamin sa ay pwede mo bang gawin? Salamin sa dingding nasa lang pag-ibig. Salamin kailangan ako mapansin.
Grabe!
Thank you!
Palakpakan natin, ladies and gentlemen. Give it up!
Galing, sobra.
Give it up for the millennials and Gen Z! Siyempre naman, hindi magpapatalo ang mga titos and titas in the house.
Dapat may representative.
Meron din kaming TikTok nung araw. Meron kaming TikTok nung araw. Yung Macarena. Ayan. Sino
Wow!
nakakala ng Macarena? Tawagin naman natin ang mga titos and titas in the house.
Titos and titas!
Tara, titos and titas. Macarena,
Saan?
madali lang to. Pangga, let's go. Yan na.
Ma'am Joy, let's
TJM.
go! Wow!
Yung mga mahilig
Come on,
mag-zumba. Mahilig mag-zumba.
Mukhang let's go!
Eto, mukhang magaling ng zumba to.
Grabe! Ang dami!
Ayan na. Yung mga nagsusumba dyan, tara. Ito na sa taas.
Let's go!
Sali kayo sa taas. Sino mahilig mag-zumba?
Sa taas din daw.
Ayan, oh.
So, ikot pa sila.
Mga nagsusumba. Ayan na. Diba? Libre pa yung zumba nyo dito. Tapos may video pa kayo na nasa Music Museum kayo nag-zumba. Imagine niyo dito pa kayo nag-zumba sa Music Museum.
Oo, no? Pang world class, no?
Alright.
Wow naman! Mas madami!
Dancers, ilid muna kayo para makita natin ating mga... Uy, dito po kayo. Ate, ay,
Hello
ma'am,
po.
ma'am.
Ay, okay lang
Dito
po
po kayo
ba
sa
sa
gitna.
inyo?
Kasi-
Okay lang po. Opo.
Di kayo marunong,
Kaya
okay lang
pala.
po. Sunod ka lang po. Yan, ang gusto ko. Yan.
No? Sasabi.
Ano ba? Hoy, mga titos and
Sila
titas,
father.
itayo natin ang ating bandera, okay?
Wow!
Kailangan
Nagaganda na nagwagwapuhan, no?
Mas mataas ang energy natin dito, okay? Hoy, kayo sasali kayo mamaya, tatayo kayo lahat mamaya, pero madali lang yung gagawin natin.
Yes.
Ano?
Para lahat makaparticipate.
Basta madali lang, okay?
Oo.
Mamaya tatayo kayo lahat, alright?
Yes. Alright.
Eto na, mukhang nagsusumba talaga sila, no? Eto na. Ready na ba kayo? Ito, nag-hire pa kami ng Zumba instructress dito.
Yun,
Napakaganda.
ang ating sexy and
Ang aking
beautiful.
Sexy. Palakpakan naman natin, ladies and gentlemen. Ang
Miss
aking palangga.
Ah.
Sige, walang bayad to, ha? Hindi, ito nga, yan. Sabay kayo na ba? Alright. How about a hand, ladies and gentlemen, for the titos and titas! Wala pa yan. Kaya lang muna yan. Eto na, are you ready? Here we go.
Alright.
1, 2, 3, go! Dala dugit arigia Macarena, dala bagal arigia Casabuena, dala dugit arigia Macarena, Macarena. Dala dugit arigia Macarena, dala bagal arigia Casabuena, dala dugit arigia Macarena, Macarena. Macarena, 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 Macarena. One, two. Dala dugit arigia Macarena, dala bagal arigia Casabuena, dala dugit arigia Macarena, Macarena. Dala dugit arigia Macarena, dala bagal, dala dugit arigia Macarena, 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 Macarena,
Macarena, Macarena, Macarena,
Macarena, Macarena, Macarena, Macarena. Ito ba? Dala dugit arigia Macarena, dala bagal dala dugit arigia Macarena, Macarena. 달라도 왜 빠르기야 마카레나 달가바가 아르기야 마카레 달라도 왜 아르기야 마카레나 에 마카레 아바레 Diyan lang kayo, diyan lang kayo, diyan lang kayo.
Wait lang po. Meron
Diyan lang
pa
kayo,
po.
diyan lang kayo ha. Ayan. Dito lang kayo, dito lang kayo. Okay, may gagawin tayong lahat. Kasali naman kayo, okay? Please lang. Magti-TikTok tayo, okay? Para meron tayong video na lahat tayo nagsasayaw. Ganito lang gagawin natin.
Yes.
Tuturo namin kayo. Tapos ang gagawin
You
nyo,
know that? Tapos ganon.
tapos babalik nyo sa amin yung turo.
Yo.
Kami naman ang gaganon. O, sample. Hati tayo. Kami tuturo. O, ito kunyari kayo. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ayan, okay.
Alright.
Hey, we ask everybody to stand.
Are you ready?
Come on. Tayo
Please
lahat.
stand up.
Good morning,
Alright, let's
couple.
go.
Good morning, couple. Sali kayo
Let's
dito.
stand up, everybody.
Come on, everybody.
Hey.
Ang hindi tumayo
Ano?
ay
Ay.
hindi makakauwi. Maliligaw kayo. Tayo.
Yeah.
Yan, sige, yan.
Let's go.
Para paglabas si Brother Gino, talagang mataas sa energy natin. Tayo. Alright. Here we go. 2, 3, go. Saba. Ganun muna
Saba.
kayo. Ganun lang. Sige.
Sabay kembot, ha?
1, 2, 3, go. Balik. Yeah, come
Saba.
on.
Go.
Ang hirap, no? Here we go.
Hey.
Taas.
Hey.
Okay, ngayon, susunod tayo sa kanila. Let's go. Here we go.
2, 3, go.
Been working so hard.
Hey.
I punching my God. Later, oh, tell me what I got this feeling. Time that holding me down. Yeah. Woo.
Yeah.
I hear this feeling. Was out there this time. Eto na! Yo! Here we go! Tonight I got a time. Balik! Pababa! Do we pull me up and mind it?
Come on!
Jack, get back, that's right! Come on, before we try. Come on! Don't lose, yeah! Everybody kind of one more time! Footloose, kick out the Sunday shoes. Come on, please, do we pull me up from hiding? Jack, get back. Come on, before we turn loose. Hey, everybody cut. Everybody cut. Everybody got loose. Sayawan na! Bring it to the moon. Come on, let's go. Hey, what you trying to do? Everybody, sayaw lang tayo. Come on. Carrot magic in the air. Hands are toes so clear. And look out. It's showtime. Guess who's back again? They don't know. But you know as soon as we walk in, very killer licks, designer mix, Inglewood's body shoes. Woo! Don't look too hard, my heart is up. No, they get it called red and blue. Come on, I'm a dangerous man with some money in my pocket.
Keep up.
That's right. So many pretty girls around me, they're waking up the rocket.
Keep up.
Hey guys, walang ubo. Come on. Hey. Keep up. Praise only. Put your kick it, breathe up. Hey. What you trying to do? Turn up on carrot magic, the air. Hands are toes so clear. Look out! What you trying to do? Michelle Papa down white. Come on. This one for the hood girls and good girls and masterpieces. That's right, come on, Music Museum! Hey, too hot!
Hot damn!
Got a police and I'm fireman.
Hot damn!
Make a track, wanna retirement.
Hot damn!
Say my name, you know who I am, and too high. Yeah. I'm a bad, don't matter, break it down. Yes, yes, hallelujah. Yes, yes, hallelujah. Yes, yes, hallelujah. Stop time funk, come give it to ya. Stop time funk, come give it to ya. Stop time funk, come give it to ya. Saturday night, we're in the spot. Don't believe me, just watch. Come on. They don't believe me, just watch. They don't believe me, just watch. 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 Hey, 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 uptown funk you up. Uptown funk you up. Say what? Uptown funk you up. Uptown funk you up. Say uptown funk you up. Uptown funk you up. Say uptown funk you up. Uptown funk you up. Uptown funk you up. Uptown funk you up. Say what? Uptown funk you up. Uptown funk you up. Come on. Uptown funk you up. Uptown funk you up. Say uptown funk you up. Woo!
Yeah!
Oh, don't you dare look back. Keep your eyes on me. I said you hold me back. You said shut up and dance with me. This woman is my destiny.
She said,
Ooh, shut up and dance with me. Ladies and gentlemen, Brad Pitt!
Brad Pitt! Ah!
Hey, 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 hey.
Uy!
Can become busy.
Tumakbo lang.
Sabi sa inyo, mainip na yan eh. Do it, want to be together. You took my arms. I don't know how it happened. You think you go, say, oh, don't you dare look back. Just keep your eyes on me. I said you hold it back. She said, shut up and dance with me. This woman is my destiny. She said, ooh, shut up and dance with me. Come on, boys!
Kumana.
Deep in the right, I think I see the future. I realize this is my destiny. You took my arms. I don't know how it happened. It is the flow. Say,
Come on! Put your hands up, everybody!
put your hands up, put your hands up.
Put your hands up! Put your hands up! Put your hands up in the air!
Oh, don't you dare look back. Just keep your eyes on me. I said you hold me back. He said, shut up and dance with me. This woman is my destiny. Ooh,
Shut up and dance!
don't you dare look back. Just keep your eyes on me. I said you hold me back. She said, shut up and dance with me. This woman is my destiny. She said, ooh, shut up and dance with me.
Hey, 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 hey! Shut up and dance!
With me. Ooh, shut up and dance with me. Thank you.
Thank you!
Thanks so much.
Let's go!
To God be the glory.
Alright!
Maraming salamat po. Thank you so much. Please stand by for Kino.
Thank you so much! Our band right here! Tara, tara! Sir Rain on piano!
Hey, hey,
Sir
hey,
Alex
hey.
from guitar. Let's go!
How about a hand for the band, ladies and gentlemen? Give it up.
We were victims of the night. The chemical, physical, kryptonite. Help us to
Thank you so much. Good night, everyone. Please don't
Thank
go
you.
away. Stop up for Gino Padilla and Brad Pitt. And the Seven.
She took my arm. I don't know how it happened.
Grabe energy, di ba? Palakpakan
Nag-enjoy
ulit.
ba kayo? Grabe!
Tanungin mo yung sa side mo kung nag-enjoy sila.
Nag-enjoy ba kayo?
Napagod ba kayo? Oo. May dala po akong nebulizer, nandyan lang ho sa labas. Oo. Doon ho sa mga sumakit ang katawan, may alaksan po akong dala. Oo. Sweetheart, grabe. Minalat ako doon sa likod eh.
Talagang yug-yuga na.
Nagyugyuga na, opo. And this is the first time siguro, kahit kami sa aming mag-asawa na ngayon lang uli tayo naka-experience ng ganito after the pandemic. Tama po ba? Oo, thank God. Oo,
Ilang
wag na-
years? Ilang
Oo.
years din yon, sweetheart.
Tama ka, oo.
Kaya nandito sila nga na-enjoy. Kung pwede, dire-diretso pa eh, di ba?
Tama ka. O, Kaya
Pwede ba?
kailangan nila magpahinga. Palakpakan natin
Oo
sila,
nga.
June and Irene Isais for bringing
Yeah.
that into fruition. Asan sila po
Riser
yung June?
Band.
Oo, ayun, nandito pala. Oo, Riser Band, opo. Now, mga kaibigan, nakita nyo kanina from the 80s, di ba? Meron tayong 90s, year 2000. Alam na talaga kung anong edad eh, no? Kasi depende kung sino yung mga sumasayaw, di
Pero
ba?
sweetheart, ang dami nag-raise ng hand ng mga Gen Z and
Oo,
Gen...
marami.
Diba? Halos
Marami.
lahat eh.
Teka, may nanggugol. May tawid ng tawid
Nag-Gen
dito.
Z eh.
May tawid ng tawid dito.
May tumatawid, may tumatawid,
oo.
may tumatakbo.
Uy, huwag ka ganyan, senior na yan. Oo, senior na yan. Mamaya
Yung mga
makikita, malalaman yan. No? So, nag-enjoy tayong lahat. Nag-enjoy tayong lahat. Oh, definitely. Pumalakpak naman. Oh, kaya pang pumalakpak. Meron pala tayong mga madring nandito. Kala ko costume nyo lang yan. Totoong madre pala sila. Oo, totoong madre sila.
Pati mga father natin nagsayaw, nakita nyo ba?
Si Father Eric, nakita nyo ba?
Oo, diba?
Ibang klase.
Ayun na naman, oh.
Teka, ayun, may tumatawid. Oo. May tumatawid, opo. Pero alam niyo, ladies and gentlemen, sabi nga natin eh, lahat ng mga music natin, merong emotion na kasama yan. Di ba? Oo, merong nagpapasaya sa'yo, nagpapaalala doon sa nakaraan mo, whether malungkot o masaya, relate tayo dyan. It talks about our generation. Di ba, sweetheart?
Yes, tama yun. Tsaka yan, nare-reminisce natin yung mga memories natin nung mga back in the 80s, 90s.
At
diba?
naaalala mo na pag nandito yung mga anak natin, yung anak namin sumayaw, dapat gano'n na lang sana tayo forever, ano? Kaso hindi po. Kaya nga ngayong gabi, ang ating pagtitipon, binigyan natin ng